Imagine you want to build a giant Lego castle. You don't just magically have it appear, right? You start with one tiny brick, then another. This book teaches us that doing something just 1% better each day might not seem like much, but these tiny improvements build up like magic. Over a whole year, being 1% better every day means you end up almost 37 times better than when you started. Small steps truly lead to big adventures. The first two secrets for good habits are to make them obvious and attractive. If you want to drink more water, put a cool water bottle right where you can see it on your desk. It's much harder to forget when it's staring at you. You can also make it attractive by adding your favorite fruit slices or using a fun cup. Make it something you actually look forward to doing. Next, we make good habits easy and satisfying. If you want to read more, don't try to read a whole chapter right away. Just promise yourself to read for 2 minutes, or even just one page. It's so easy you'll almost always do it. And once you do, give yourself a small pat on the back, like putting a sticker on your calendar for finishing your reading. This little reward makes your brain want to do it again. What about habits we want to stop? We do the opposite. To break a bad habit, make it invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. If you don't want to eat too many cookies, put the cookie jar in a high cabinet or even give them away. Make it super hard to do the bad thing, and make sure there's no fun reward. This way, your brain learns it's not worth the effort. One of the coolest ideas is to think about the kind of person you want to become. Instead of just saying, "I want to run a race," think, "I am a runner." When you decide to be a kind person or an artist, your actions start to match that identity. Every time you do something that a kind person would do, you're voting for that identity, making it stronger. It's like collecting points for becoming the amazing you. You can make your good habits even easier by designing your environment. If you want to practice your guitar, leave it out of its case instead of hiding it. Also, try habit stacking. This means adding a new habit right after an old one you already do. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will immediately read one page of a book. This links your new habit to something you already do without even thinking. Finally, the Goldilocks rule reminds us that habits need to be just right to stick. If a habit is too easy, you get bored. If it's too hard, you get frustrated and give up. The best challenge is right in the middle, where it's a little bit tricky but you know you can do it if you try. Like a video game level that's not impossible but still makes you think and learn. Keep pushing yourself a little, but not too much, to stay excited.